Hey, this is Levi Blizzard here with Coast Elite Roofing. I'm over here at Mr. Norman's. We got y'all's replacement to do the half replacement, so we come out here to perform these repairs. And you see here we got our test square right here on the front facing slope. We're gonna come out and we have our damaged shingle right here. As you can see, this right here is no longer with us. So we have this one marked out, and this shingle right here above it, we're gonna have to pop this one loose. That way we can get back to those nails. So I got the roof snake here, just gonna come out. So right there. So now we're gonna come in here because we're gonna have to pop these nails up. So we're gonna try not to bend it too much. See, this one right here.
That one tab right there is already popping loose. That small, tiny little.
So we're gonna have to, because there's two sets of nails in there. One right here, and then also one back here. So we're gonna have to come, that's why we got this one right here marked out. So we're gonna have to come right above it and loosen this one up. Mat transfer.
Yeah, already we're seeing some mat transfer up underneath here.
Right here, you can see right there, that is the matting from this shingle right here that will stay. And that will, where we cannot perform these repairs back to its pre-loss condition. Come right here, underneath this one, same thing, right there. Right there. And also they're already.
So with that being said, that mat, that tar sealant has transferred the matting from the shingle underneath here. So the adhesive component of this shingle on the bottom side, when we put a new shingle underneath, these will not adhere back to this system, therefore leaving it vulnerable to the weather and the elements.
And not able to get it back to its pre-loss condition.
Yeah, that wouldn't be restoring it back to the condition it was before this storm. So that being said, we're going to continue on with this. Or is that?
No,
I guess we aren't
we're
going
to stop it there because we can't go no further. Because if I take one out,
yeah, we don't want to leave a repair up here that doesn't.
Put it back in there, this shingle right here, that's the matting is staying. That is going to stay on this shingle. Whenever we take this one back and put it back, the back of that matting's on this one that we're taking.
Customer
so this
doesn't.
Will be less quality and less protection up here than it was before if we do the repair.
And
so
Mr. Norman, the policyholder, he's already stated that he doesn't want to risk doing a repair that's not going to function properly. That's why we came up here as well, to give him the peace of mind that it did or didn't work, and we're sending this to y'all to show the evidence.
We're going to go and do one more on the other slope to see if we can do those repairs over there. But as of right now, this slope right here cannot be repaired, and we're going to have to go ahead and get the full replacement of this side. So we're going to go and hop to the other side to see if we can do that repair over there.
Let's go.